In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the lead status property in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this property, what each setting means, and how to save your changes with confidence. Start in your HubSpot dashboard and look to the top left for the universal search bar. Click into it and type Contact Properties. This search takes you straight to the settings page where all contact properties are managed. It's the quickest way to get to the right place without digging through menus. Once you're on the Contact Properties screen, use the search within that page to look for Lead Status, then click it. Lead Status is a core contact property used to track where a person is in your sales process. Think stages like new, in progress, or qualified. Because this property is referenced by lists, workflows, and reports, it's worth taking a moment to plan your changes before you make them. You'll now see the editor where you can update its details, field type, rules, and conditional options. In the Details section, you can refine the label and description. Add a clear description so your team knows exactly when and how to use each status. If your process has evolved, consider tightening the naming and order of options to match how your sales team actually works. For field type, lead status is typically a drop-down select. If you're adjusting it, be cautious. Changing a field type can affect how existing data is stored or how tools like forms and workflows interact with this property. If you're adding or renaming options, keep the meanings consistent and avoid duplicates that confuse reporting. Next, review rules. This is where you can control behaviors, like whether the property is required in certain contexts, if it appears on specific record views, or if editing should be restricted. Rules help you keep data clean and ensure the right people update statuses at the right time. Conditional options let you show or hide certain lead status choices based on other properties. Use this to keep the options relevant. For example, you might only show advanced status stages when a lead is already qualified by another field. This reduces clutter and guides users to the correct choice. When you're satisfied, click Save at the top right. Your updates apply across the CRM, which means lists, workflows, and reports using lead status will reflect your changes. It's a good idea to let your team know what changed and why, and if needed, spot check a contact record to confirm everything looks right. And that's it. You've successfully edited the lead status property in HubSpot CRM.